we're going to do a
showing our new school supplies.
let's go! And guys, by the way, I'm grade 6 and
And
Sancho is...
Grade 2.
Okay guys, let's go and we will show you our new school supplies. So guys, this is our bags and inside our bags is
our school supplies.
So this is for Sancho. Sancho will show you.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
guys,
I will show you guys our. Wait,
This is
later. I will show you guys the pockets and zippers of Sancho's bag later. This is Sancho's bag, guys. It's so nice.
Yeah.
And this is
kinda
my bag.
confusing for me.
This is my bag, guys. You know me, guys. I love pastel blue or sky blue.
And I love red,
red.
and sky blue.
Yeah. So this is Sancho's bag. I will show you guys the zippers of Sancho's bag. This is what Sancho's bag. So nice. So, and this is my bag. And then we have. And
The secret and we're gonna unbox it at the
no,
end.
right now na. So this is eto guys. Hiwalay namin to kasi walang ganito dun sa DIY. So panday namin to dun.
Yeah, he bought this on DIY and Pandayan.
Yung school supplies namin guys, pati yung bag, binili namin sa
Pan-
DIY. Pero eto, hindi. So let's go
Yan sa
unbox.
Pandayan.
Sancho haven't seen this yet kasi ako lang yung bumili and si Mama. Hindi siya kasama.
Yeah, I'm
So I'm going to
still excited.
guys, this is a paint, pero hindi niya alam kung anong
Yeah.
alam niya ang paint, pero hindi niya alam kung anong
This
ito.
is very nice.
Yeah. So this is the brush.
Wow.
Yeah, the brush.
And I'm gonna close my eyes for the pink.
So, this is for each of us.
One, two, three, open.
Wait lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow!
Oh, use it, use it,
Wow!
Use it wisely. So guys, share kami dito sa brushes. So, tag-isa kami dito and dito pag na.
Wait, which one is? Yeah, one for me, one for Ate, one for
Yeah.
me, and one for Ate.
Yes, sir. So, let's go.
This is my brush.
Later. So, we're going to open it. Show to them.
Okay.
The sun is shining.
Okay.
Ayun! Oh, it has a brush! Guys, nagtapon niya sa akin. Wait. Oh my God. Baka magkahalo kami.
Ma! We need to. Can you return it because there's already
No!
a brush?
Oh, it's okay.
There's already a brush. There's already a brush. Wait, I'm gonna show it to Mom.
Later na.
There's already a
It's
brush.
okay.
I'll show you.
So guys, this is so hard. So, I'm gonna open it first.
Oh, are you serious? You already also spilled mine.
So, fix it. We're gonna fix it muna, guys. So guys, naayos na namin.
Yeah, and he already broke.
Bro. Okay. Next, guys, hindi na namin ito i-unbox kasi nakikita na naman na yun.
Funny story.
Kasi,
There's already a brush.
yeah, may brush na talaga siya, pero okay lang yan kasi mas maganda to, guys. Pero hindi
Funny
naman,
story.
pero hindi naman na namin ito i-open kasi nakikita niya naman na yung loob niya.
Yeah,
I mean, actually, i-open namin siya kasi kailangan namin...
that's mine. I want this.
No, we're going to share, bro. Kasi kailangan namin kunin niya na sa loob niya. So, let's go. It's just... Bro, stop. I know what you're doing. Okay. Unbox now. And... So, ito siya,
And
guys.
I'm gonna unbox this.
Isa-share na... Show it!
Okay, I'm gonna unbox this. Where's the scissors?
Be careful, ah.
Okay.
So, yeah. Oh, may mga ano siya. Guys. Ano siya, guys? Tag-isa kami. So, Itong malaki sa, yung malaki sa akin, syempre. Tapos kay Sancho, ito.
Okay.
At itong tatlo, siguro reserve na lang namin pag nawala yung dalawa or, nasira.
Got it!
And then itong dalawa, parehas lang naman sila.
Look, I even got it.
No. Ito guys, mas malaki. So kay Sancho naman na yung, hindi. Kay Sancho naman na yung mas malaki ngayon. And sa akin naman yung mas maliit ngayon. And ito guys, reserve
I
din
want
namin.
that!
The what? No, nga we're going to share. So this is for me, this is for you, this is for you, this is for me. Ganon. Okay,
Oh.
next. Ito naman na guys, yung nasa laman ng bag namin. Let's go. So guys, me first. Rock, paper, scissors na lang. Tala na naman ako dito eh.
Yeah. Rock, paper,
Show it to them.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, so let's go show them.
Now, wait. Yeah, all of my stuff in this. Bro, it's so confusing. Okay,
We're gonna...
this is the one.
Okay, wait. No, that's not... Ang dami kasi yung package ng bag niya.
Yeah, and it's so confusing, right?
Yes, sir. Alam ko, hindi naman ito ginagamit, pero gupitin na natin para matapos ito.
Okay.
Okay, ganon. So, I'm going to show you what's inside Sancho's bag. And Sancho will show it to you guys. I mean, unbox. So, first is Sancho's pencil case. Okay, go.
And it's already okay.
We already opened it kanina.
Yeah, and guys, I have so many features. First, this is the open one, and here's where I store my pencils. Even there's even times.
Notification.
Yeah, and even wait. Oh, this is for the eraser. Wait, I think this is for the brush.
There's 3 layers, guys. Man, dito.
Yeah, and the last one's for my brush.
Crayons, guys. Crayons.
Oh yeah.
Kasi guys, makikita nyo yung crayons niya kasi guys, hindi crayons na crayons. Yung crayons niya guys is, yung kote oh. Ah, totoo? Oh yeah! Ang ganda lang. Ngayon ako nakakita dito.
Wait, that's mine?
Colored pencil, tapos erasable. Guys, ang ganda. May pencil yan, no? Tapos erasable. Ang galing! Yes, guys. Erasable yung pencil niya. And guys, Sancho.
That's something super cute and fluffy. My notebook!
Notebook nito, guys.
Yes,
kasi
a box!
gusto niya magsurat. Surat.
Wait, look at the mouse, so
So
silly.
fluffy.
Yeah, look at the mouse, so silly.
Okay, next. Next, put it there. And guys, may metal ruler din kami dito. Pero, hindi sa kanya to. Sa amin dalawa to for our project. So, dito to sa bahay.
Yeah.
So, unbox it na lang. Let's unbox it na lang.
Me, because this is mine. Oh. Oh my God.
It's here, bro. You can unbox.
Oh. Wait, give me the scissors. Scissors. Ah!
Here, oh!
Ow. Do not touch the... Oh my God. Ow. Oh my God. Ow. So
So, ito siya, guys.
yeah.
Alam nyo, guys. Wait lang. Sa school namin, may ganito yung teacher namin, pero hindi ganito as in, sobrang haba niya. Like, I think ganito siya kahaba. Pero ganito lang siya kanipis, guys, ha. Pero mahaba siya.
Yeah, but don't touch the metal points, right? It's so ouchy, right?
Nakakasugat din
Ay,
siya
Oh
minsan,
my God.
guys.
Yeah, if we slice it to our skin.
So, yeah, let's go.
Oh my God.
Next is Sancho's lunch bag. Yeah. Okay, joke lang.
Yeah, that's only, it's so fast, right? My lunch bag is that's only fast, right, ate?
Baka magupit ko siya. Okay. Ang cute ng lunch bag ni Sancho, guys, kasi actually, parang kulang pa yung merienda niya dito sa... Well, I think yung pang merienda dito sa baba. It's like bento. Alam niyo yung bag na pwedeng pang ibento? Yeah, meron siya sa
Wait.
baba. And mayroon din siya sa...
Ate, I have an emergency. You forgot to show the inside.
Ah! Ito yung inside niya, guys.
Yeah.
You can, look. Feelings and the weather.
Yeah! So good.
I have like this dati. Pero hindi siya yung di ganito. Yung as in na full talaga siya na fluffy ang hanggang sa likod. Pero, i-recommend ko to guys. Do not wet this because nung binasa ko dati yung sa akin, bumaho siya. As in, it's so smelly. When you wet it. So, do not wet
Yeah,
it.
because it's with glue, right?
No, it's not with glue. Basta it's smelly. So, ito na yung lunch. She's your lunchbox, right?
Yep.
Okay, next.
I'm gonna dig in. Glue?
Glue. So guys, this is
It's so
our
boring.
glue.
It's super fast and it's just boring, right? That's
Yeah.
only boring.
Next is Sancho's eraser. Ang cute niya guys. Pero guys, hindi naman sa kanya ito lahat. We will share. Pero siguro kukunin ko lang dito yung eto star, etong rainbow, and etong moon, and etong cloud. Yun lang. Why did you open it? Ala, kalagot ka kayo mga kapatid eh.
I accident. That's also an accident.
It's okay, it's okay. Hindi naman fully na open. Okay.
Yeah, I just
Bago.
texted.
Last but not the least, Sanchez pencil. And guys, maganda yung Mongol ngayon kasi
Yeah, and there's even erasers and a free sharpener on the under. Look, do you see it?
we will open this later. Okay, and this is our bag. This is Sanchez bag, guys. So, my turn! Okay. First thing is my notebook. And ganito sa DIY guys Ma'am, actually guys, wala talaga akong notebook. Pero si mama, binilihan niya, pwede na ako. Actually, yung to guys, pangalawa na to nung lumabas ulit sila. So, napada sila sa DIY. So, binilahan na nila ako. And guys, mamaya makikita nyo kung bakit sila pumunta ng DIY. So, let's unbox my notebook phone guys. This is so cute!
Yeah, guys, remember the last video? You must comment what pet do we have.
Yeah guys, later na yan. It's so cute! So cute. Okay,
Yeah.
and eto na pala guys. And ito na pala yung reason kung bakit sila pumunta ng DIY. It's so cute! Dahil sa lunch bag ko guys. Kasi wala silang mahanap na lunch bag ko dun sa
Yeah,
DIY. Dun sa first sa DIY na pinuntahan namin.
But guys, last video it's just only for Mama, but this time
It's for us! So yeah guys, yung mga unboxing videos namin ng mga parcels, kay mama lahat yun. Actually,
Yeah,
meron naman yung
except for this video.
Yeah,
It's
guys.
for us.
us. So yan, ito guys, super cute. Guys, if you were asking kung nasan yung lunch So guys, if you were wondering kung nasan yung lunch box namin, i-order pa lang ni mama kasi guys, yung mga nahahanap namin sa DIY, Pandayan, bro, stop. Medyo guys, kasi eto guys, yung in-order ni mama is parang anti-leak, so hindi siya mag-leak sa baonan. So ito yung baonan ko guys. And next is my pencil. So guys, if you were asking, bakit puro bro, stop. I'm videoing. Puro, you will get naman my school supply. Kung bakit puro blue, later, one by one, kung puro light blue yung makikita nyo, and karamihan iba-ibang color, ganun. Kasi guys, lately, my favorite color was pink. Pero favorite color ko pa naman yung
Yeah,
pink.
that's
Pero,
only sky blue and yeah, that's only sky blue.
I like pastel colors, guys. Pero sa lahat ng pastels, sky blue yung nagustuhan ko and
Oh
light
yeah, I
pink.
also love pastel.
This is
I
my
also love
guys. Ito siya guys. It's so cute.
I
So,
like
makikita mo
pastel
siya, guys.
except for the yellow. It looks like pee.
So ito guys, ito yung lunch bag ko. Ay! Guys! Kanina pa ako nagsasalita, guys. Hindi ko na alam. Natanggal siya, te. Guys, nakapost. So, hindi ko siya nakita. Guys, kanina pa ako nagsasalita, guys. Nakapost pala.
Yeah, funny.
Ito, guys. Isa na lang itong binili namin, guys. Para, isa na lang kami ni
Yeah,
Sancho.
but this broke.
No, it's not broken. You can put it back. Basta, there, oh.
Oh.
Magnet to, guys. And then, guys, may mag-aayos kayo kung bakit isa lang yung board namin. Kasi, iba naman magkaiba naman kami ng grade, guys. And, hindi naman yung quiz B and yung math teaser namin, hindi naman sabay-sabay. Per grade yun, per level. So, iba yung time niya, iba yung time ko. So, kunwari nakasali kami, uy bro, later na yan. Kunwari nakasali ako and hindi siya nakasali. So, it means, ako lang yung board. And, pag hindi ako nakasali, hindi nakasali siya, ay di siya lang gagamit ito, di ba? And guys, chalk and board na siya. So, nawala na ito yung whiteboard namin, edi mag-chalk na kami, di ba?
And the crayon!
Actually, eto guys, parehas na kami ni Sancho nang binili. Pencil crayons na lang guys,
Yeah.
para yung
But it won't.
sinasharpen na lang.
Yeah, but it won't erase, right?
Eto guys, hindi siya na-erase ah. Pasensya natin ah. Ito guys, sinasharpen lang siya. Okay, sorry. Ito guys, this is crayons. Okay, next. Tagal na nga nagbigay nito.
Oh.
Ito naman. So, meron na akong brush. Kailangan ko to guys.
Bro,
Kasi,
why do you even need those?
kasi guys, super...
Bro,
Kasi,
why do you even need those?
kasi malay mo,
Some-
maglugay ako sa school guys and matanggal yung buka. At least may brush ako. And it's blue. Sinigurado ko talaga na blue.
Are you gonna bring that to school?
Yes. Okay, next. Correct. Correction tape. This is 2, 4, 6 pieces. So, dalawang green, dalawang yellow, dalawang blue. And next, go na.
Okay, let's dig in. Hey!
Ano to? So
Pen!
guys, gel ink pen. So ito guys, may ano na siya, may refill na siya guys. Ano to guys? Ito, kinuha kasi yung mga kakase ko. Ayoko ito pahiram te. Pero yun nga, yung mga kakase ko kasi guys, gumagamit ako ng ballpen nila. Kasi nawawala yung ballpen ko. Tapos, hinihiram ko. Ito palaging binibig. I mean, di naman palagi. Pag nangihiram lang ako, lately, parang ito yung nakikita ko. And maganda yung ink niya. So, ito nang hinuha ko. Eh, may pa isa dyan eh. Ito guys! Wallet. May laman na siya guys. Yan, may laman na siya guys. Kasi wallet ko to pang school. Pinalitan ko yung wallet ko guys. Pero wala naman.
What?
Ayan,
Okay.
next, go na. Ang tagal mo din. Pencil guys. So, ito naman guys. Tatlo lang siya. Tapos, mayroon na siyang isang eraser and sharpener.
Wait, why do you even not tell me I want this?
You want this ba? Then, let's buy again. So, ito guys, iba-iba siyang color.
Are you serious?
Kailangan ko to guys kasi, you know.
Why didn't you tell me I want?
Shush. Next is mga rulers. Meron ditong triangle, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezia, and basta yun.
Yeah, and this, and
Hindi-
now we already talked about this. Now.
May glue din kami, and
We
may
already talked
tape
about
din
this.
kami. Yun lang, wala na?
Wala.
Okay. Okay, wala na pala. So, we're going to put it inside them into our, bagay. So, get your bag na so we can
Yeah, wait.
put
We
them.
forgot to unbox them.
Kaya nga, we will unbox them na. Later na. Okay, get your pencil case na. Get your pencil case. Get your pencil case. Oh, then, how many? 2 lang. Bring 2. Dalawa na dadalhin niya, guys. So, guys, pustahan tayo, guys. Di na kami nag-video sa guys. Kasi yung school namin, bawal mag-phone doon. So, hindi kami makaka-video ng... later, nag-video tayo. Hindi kami pwedeng mag-phone doon. So, hindi ko mabibideo yung first day of school namin. Pero, pustahan tayo, guys, first week pala ng school, yung dalawang pencil ni Sancho, wala na. Kahit
Yeah,
may pangalan yun, guys.
never use phone at school. Do
Promise.
not try this.
Shh, quiet. Pustahan tayo, guys. Pustahan. Dalawa. Pagkatapos, 1 week pa lang, guys, wala ng pencil si Sancho. Kahit may pangalan. So, guys, ito na, guys. Ako na maglalagay. Yupot na lang. Yupot na lang. Okay,
Okay.
go. Ako na din maglalagay ito. So, time lapse na namin to, guys. So guys, yun na lang papakita namin and kami na muna mag-aayos ng gamit namin. So that's all guys. Bye! Hope you have fun at this video.